Namaste my friends. So this is a small exercise which is the same exercise I have given as a case based discussion. Okay, the same thing. So all of you take a pen and paper and note down how to do the calculations, and the same thing you have to same thing you have to write it in the case based discussion, and you have to submit as a PDF. Okay. So the question is, you have to calculate how much amount of carbohydrates, how much amount of proteins, and how much amount of fat should be taken by a 25-year-old man who does light work or sedentary work. Okay, 25-year-old man who does light work or sedentary work, like okay, and with a total daily calorie requirement of 2400 kilocalories. Okay, for a 25-year-old sedentary working man who does sedentary work, the daily calorie requirement is 2400 kilocalories. Understood? So you need to now calculate how much amount of carbohydrates he should take per day, how much amount of proteins he should take per day, and how much amount of fats he should take per day. Okay. So coming to the calculation, as I already told you in the previous video lecture, so we need to consume 60 to 70% of the calories should come from carbohydrates, and 20% of the total calories should come from fats, and 10% of the total calories should come from proteins. Understood? This you have already understood. Once again I will tell you, 60 to 70% of the total calories should come from carbohydrates, and 20% of the total calories should come from fats, and 10% of the total calories should come from proteins. Okay. So now how much amount is consuming per day? 2400 calories is consuming per day. Okay. Out of that, 60% to 70% is coming from carbohydrates, 10% from proteins, and 20% from fats. And coming first, we will see how much amount of carbohydrates. We will calculate how much amount of carbohydrates you need to take per day. So we already know 70% should come from carbohydrates. So 70 by 100, 70% means 70 by 100 into total calories he is taking is 2400. 70 by 100 into 2400 is, what is the calculation? Do the calculation. It will come up to 1680 kilocalories. Understood? The amount of carbohydrates he needs per day is 70% of the total 2400. 70 by 100 into 2400, which is 1680 kilocalories per day. Okay. So this is the amount which is coming from carbohydrates. Out of the total calories is required, 1680 should come from kilocalories should come from carbohydrate. So now we will see how many grams is needed per day. Okay, how many grams he needs to take carbohydrates per day. We know the calories now, 1680 kilocalories. So you know one more thing about carbohydrates. Carbohydrates give 1 gram of carbohydrates give 4 kilocalories. You already know it. 1 gram of carbohydrates give 4 kilocalories. So 1000, we will divide these 4 kilocalories by 1680 kilocalories to get the amount of carbohydrates you need to take in gram. How much to know the amount of carbohydrates you need to intake per day in grams, we will divide the 1680 kilocalories divided by 4. Why 4? Because 1 gram of carbohydrates give 4 kilocalories. So 1680 kilocalories by 4 kilocalories is 420 gram. Understood? This calculation you have to need to understand properly, because The same thing you have to write in the case based discussion. I have given the case based discussion, so the same thing you need to write. So once again I will tell you, carbohydrate, out of the 2400 calories he requires, 70% should come from carbohydrates. So 70 by 100 into 2400 is 1680 kilocalories, and 1680 kilocalories, out of that we will divide it by 4, because 1 gram of carbohydrates gives 4 kilocalories. So we will divide it by 4. So it will come up to 420 gram. 420 gram. So he needs to take in 420 gram of carbohydrates per day. The next thing is fats. How much amount of fats he need to take? Now we have calculated the person should take, 25-year-old man who does sedentary work should take 420 gram of carbohydrates per day. Next is fats. So fats is, fats, you need to consume 20% of carbohydrate, 20% of the calories should come from fats. 20% of the total calories should come from fats. So we will 20 by 100 into 2400. Why 2400? 2400 is the total calorie. Okay. So 20 by 100 into 2400 is 480 kilocalories. 480 kilocalories. Okay. So you need to 480 kilocalories. 480 kilocalories is the amount of kilocalorie energy which is coming from fats. So, but you already know one more thing, 1 gram of fat will give 9 kilocalories. This you already know, 1 gram of fat will give 9 kilocalories. So we will divide 480 kilocalories by 9 kilocalories. So how much? What is the, how much you will get? You will get 53 gram. 53 gram. So you need to take in 53 gram of fats per day. So once more I will tell, don't get confused. Fats, how much amount of total energy should be obtained from fats? 20%. So 20 by 100 into 2400 is 480 kilocalories. You know one more thing, 1 gram of fat gives 9 kilocalories. So we will divide the 480 kilocalories by 9 kilocalories. You will get 53 gram. So the person should take 53 gram of fats per day. Okay. Now we know how much amount of carbohydrates he has to take per day, and how much gram of fats he has to take per day. Next we will calculate for proteins. Proteins, you already know, 10% of the total energy requirement should come from proteins. Okay. So 10 by 100, 10% means 10 by 100. 10 by 100 into 2400 equals 240 kilocalories. Okay, 240 kilocalories. You calculate it, it will come 240 kilocalories. And you know one more thing, proteins, 1 gram of proteins gives 4 kilocalories. Okay, 1 gram of proteins give 4 kilocalories. So we will divide the 240 kilocalories by 4 kilocalories. Okay. So if you divide 240 kilocalories by 4 kilocalories, you will get 60 gram. 60 gram. So the person has to take 60 gram of proteins per day. 60 gram of proteins per day. Understood? So once more I will tell, for proteins, the person has to take 10 gram of 10% of the total energy requirement should come from proteins. That means 10 by 100 into 2400, it comes up to 240 kilocalories. So 240 we will divide it by 4, because proteins give 4 kilocalories for every 1 gram. So 240 by 4 is 60 gram. So the person has to take 60 gram of proteins per day. So this is about the calculation. Now we know he has to take in carbohydrate, how much amount of carbohydrates? 420 gram of carbohydrates and 53 gram of fats and 60 gram of proteins. So all of you understood the calculation. You need to write the same you need to do the same calculation in the case based discussion and submit it as a PDF. Okay. So once more I will tell you just in a short sentences. So a 25-year-old man who does light work or sedentary work, he needs 2400 kilocalories. That is the question. Okay, he needs 2400 kilocalories. They are asking how much amount of carbohydrate he should take, how much amounts of proteins he should take, and how much amounts of fat he should take. That you have to calculate. So to calculate the carbohydrates, 70% of the total carbohydrates give 70% of the total energy requirement should come from carbohydrates. So we will do the calculation is 70 by 100 into 2400, which comes into 420 kilocalories, and 420 kilocalories will divide by 4 kilocalories because 1 gram of carbohydrate gives 4 kilocalories. So we will divide 420 kilocalories by 4 kilocalories, 1680 kilocalories by 4 kilocalories. It will give 420 gram, which is the amount of carbohydrates you need to take per day. Next is coming to the fats. 20% of the total energy should be obtained from fats. So 20 by 100 into 2400 is 480 kilocalories, and we will divide the 480 kilocalories by 9 because 1 gram of fat gives 9 kilocalories. So we will divide the 480 kilocalories by 9. You will get 53 gram. Okay, 53 gram of fat. So this is the amount of fat he needs to take in per day. Then coming to the proteins. Proteins, 10% of the total energy should be obtained from calorie requirement should be obtained from proteins. So 10 by 100 into 2400 is 240 kilocalories. So this 240 kilocalories we will divide it by 4 because 1 gram of proteins gives 4 kilocalories. So the calculation is 240 by 4 is 60 grams. So 60 gram is the amount of proteins you need to take in per day. Okay. So this is about the calculation. 420 gram of carbohydrates, 53 gram of fats, and 60 gram of proteins. Okay, the same thing you need to write in the case based discussion and submit it as the assignment. Okay. Thank you.